Hello.
गाड़ी ले जाओ 50 पार्किंग का है।
What the hell? Okay, so good morning, people. Welcome here to a cold morning in Bikaner. It's almost 10 a.m. and still fog outside, and it's cloudy. Good weather for a ride, maybe. But yeah, I haven't shown you this property where I'm staying at, right? So this is a heritage hotel. That means it was a palace somewhere in its history. This was constructed by, let me remember, Maharaja Ganga Singh Ji. And in 1993, the House of Bikaji took over and constructed and revamped into a heritage hotel. And good people like them makes us stay in this kind of hotels. At least we get a chance to stay here. So yeah, let's quickly walk around. I'll give you a walk around the property. The perimeter is nice. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so here is the restaurant that is downstairs. It's surrounding all the rooms that are available here. So all those are rooms, and downstairs is the restaurant. Amazing architecture. The marble work is amazing, and you can see it would be beautiful to dine in. Okay. So here's another restaurant. Amazing, right? And here is some more a place to sit in, actually. So this is the view of the restaurant from downstairs. Looks amazing. There you go. Okay, so this is the entrance, and lovely looking buggy over here. Oh yeah, so this is the outer view. Amazing craftsmanship, as you can see. So here is the garden view of the palace. It runs around the perimeter, but there is some construction work going on in the back end. There is also supposed to be a garden on the opposite side where I'm standing, but due to some construction work, we cannot go there. Unfortunate. But yeah, this garden is also quite peaceful to relax in. So this is the entrance of the palace. You can see some construction work going on, and therefore I cannot go inside, and there was a fabulous garden that's awaiting. Okay, so this is the view from the outside the gate. You can see the symbol of the hotel from the Kaji Palace. No construction work going on in the back end. Unfortunate. Okay, so they have a separate parking with an ample amount of space. You can see my bike is just around the corner under the shed. And yeah, ample amount of parking space, given that it only has 34 rooms. All right, here we go. Okay, so first of all, Lara needs some care. She's all dirty from yesterday's rain. Quite a cold morning today. Like, I wasn't expecting this. It feels like the weather is trying to play cat and mouse with me. The same weather I encountered in Delhi, thought at least I'll not get the same in Rajasthan. Turns out I couldn't be more wrong. I'm just riding to the bike washing place. Okay, so Lara is all taken care of. The bike washing guy was extremely adoring my bike. People were asking multiple questions around those. The common questions like how much mileage, what's the price, and yeah, how much speed does it go to? Anyways, yeah, we are off to Junagadh Fort. Have to make a right turn here. Nobody follows any kind of signal. Yeah, on the roundabout as well. Nobody is following that. It's okay. Okay, so Junagadh Fort. First of all, it has no relation to Junagadh in Rajasthan. It does not have any relation to it. Earlier, it was called Chintamani Fort, but then the royal family, when they moved to Lalgarh in some time ago, so this fort was renamed to Junagadh Fort. Juna mean Kila. I'm not sure if it has to do something with the fact that there is a fort inside the fort, which is why it is called Junagadh. I'm not sure of that. But yeah, there is a, like when somebody attacks, yeah, the royal family could easily go into that inside mahal or inside palace for the safety. Here it is. Here's the first look at the fort. Oh. Yeah, typical Rajasthani architecture, I would say. So yeah, that inside fortress is called the Karan Mahal, which was reserved for the royal family in times of some attacks.
इधर गाड़ी ले जाओ 50 रुपये पार्किंग का है।
Wow. How is this angle for a change? so this is all camel wool, and this is a coronation area. So all the new coronations of the new king was handled in these areas only. Oh, look at this. Looks humongous, huh? Stunning. That's quite a word. Stunning. This is... How do they build this massive structure? I'm talking about that. Okay, so nice visit to the fort. I really like this entrances. Okay, so very interesting facts that I got to know of. And now it's time for lunch. Yeah. I thought he'll ask for the receipt. Radish, anybody? That was amazing. Oh, this is the lost art. Will not only in the tier 2, tier 3 cities you'll get to see. It's so good. Hey, no entry. Acha, car deep taxi. I never understand these sites. Okay, lunchtime. So let me just quickly go to a place which is quite famous. It's just around the corner. And we'll have some snacks for lunch. Really cool, huh? Okay, amazing lunch done. Bought some bhujiyas from this place, Bhikaram Chandwal. And now it's time to go. And now it's time to go. Engulf and take in this chaotic market of Bikaner. Oh. What the hell? To go. Okay, so I'm out of the traffic, out of the city, on my way to Deshnok to visit the mighty Karni Mata temple. I turned off the camera because there was a lot of traffic and people were not welcoming enough. So I turned off the camera and it was quite chaotic. You saw some of it, but it was quite chaotic again. Now I'm on my way to the temple and it's, I think, 14 kilometers away. We'll be reaching soon. It's the, I think you guys already know, like it's not a mystery or it's not a hidden gem of that kind. Just like, and it is a well-known fact that it is only one temple in the world to have, and it has around 100,000 rats, which is quite a feat, and they're considered auspicious. You're not allowed to stomp on any kind of rat, and if it happens, so it's not a good luck of that kind. But yeah, it's a good place to visit. People from everywhere come to this, and they often miss out on this great thing that we are not going to miss it. Okay, so this might be too much information, but my mother has requested specifically for pictures and videos of this place. I often share all my memories from all the trips that I go with her, but she asked specifically for this. Hello. टेंपल के लिए रास्ता कौन सा है?
क्या हुआ?
टेंपल के लिए रास्ता कौन सा है? ये वाला ना? हाँ हाँ ये
आगे जाके
इस पे नहीं चढ़ूँ ना? फ्लाईओवर पे चढ़ूँ?
नहीं
नीचे से, ठीक है। थैंक यू सो मच। Okay, so that was Karni Mata temple. I didn't create a vlog because, as you saw, the charges for the vlog were 1100 rupees per film. That means if I change the angle or move to another location without turning off the camera or without capturing it, Then another 1100 rupees will be slipped away from my pocket. What's fascinating was that everybody was looking after a rat to go over their foot. I didn't knew, but there is a quite famous, auspicious, you can say tradition. The thing is, if any rat goes over your foot, then it's a blessing from Karni Mata that yes, whatever you have wished for is going to be fulfilled. So every person in the temple was in either photography, videography mode, or just luring the or just luring the rats to their foot so that they can. I think it defeats the purpose. If you're luring the rat in to do something which should be involuntary, in terms of rat's perspective, that it should be involuntary enough that it passes or goes over your foot by chance or by luck or any other thing. But if you're luring the rat in, in personally my opinion, it defeats the purpose. Because maybe I'm thinking too much here. I should not be such person. I totally understand why people are so caring about the rats. I saw them feeding multiple things to all the rats by all people, like whoever was present there. Interestingly enough, I noticed something which often gets unnoticed, and people do not talk about it, which is more fascinating to me. That at one time there are around 2,000 rats that are visible to the naked eye, and if they let loose all the rats, like on occasions when there is some festival around the temple, they let loose almost all the rats, and that number goes beyond 100,000 or so. I have not seen it, so I cannot comment on it, but yeah, hypothetically it is possible. Yeah, and you might not notice it. But the interesting fact that I noticed is that there are no rats outside the temple. Not even outside the premises of the temple, outside the main temple itself. At least what I noticed today. Like there was a temple gate which acted as a barrier, and there were, like you can see over here, like the rats are actually sleeping or playing around or doing their activity on the fence, on the gate that is dividing the outer and the inner premises of the temple. But there are no rats outside the premises. There are pigeons. Pigeons are everywhere. They are inside the temple. They are outside the temple. There is a dedicated area on the outside premises where I saw multiple people feeding them outside the premises in an area, taking photos, making videos of pigeons flying when you chase them. All those things are happening. But yeah, there were no rats. But in all, it was a good visit. It was one of a kind visit that I would give it. Like I had never seen such sight in such a small space, and it was nice to see people dedicatedly praying them, dedicatedly worshipping all the rats and bummer. Looks like we are doing off-roading. How do I find these trails? It's slipping like hell. How often do I find myself, because of Google Maps, on such, I'll say, strange streets? See, this is a stable for all the cows. How did Google made me end up here? Okay, so I'm back at the hotel now, and I had planned quite a few things for you guys today, but unfortunately they didn't pan out. We would have gone for a street food tour spread all over the Bikaner. Uh, it would have been fabulously great to watch and enjoy for me as well. Uh, but yeah, you get that feeling that yeah, you're tired and you're about to get sick, and then given that I have a long trip ahead of me, we have to explore more and more of the whole Rajasthan actually. So I decided to call it a day. Came back at the hotel, rested for a while. Uh, I'm just going to have my dinner and then we'll sleep it off. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like something about the video or some part of the video, please do like, share, subscribe to the channel for the more content around the same. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.